Most people download KiCad, open it once and never open it again. Not because they are lazy, but because no one shows them where to start. Today, I'll show you how to design a real working circuit, even if this is your first time ever. And once you understand this, electronics will never look scary again. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I make tech videos using free and open source tools. A long time ago, I uploaded an introduction to KiCad. Today, we move from talking to actually building something. If you can design this circuit, you can design bigger projects. This is the same workflow used in Arduino boards, power supplies, and real products. So, let's start simple but real. In this video, we will design a simple LED circuit. We will need a power source, a resistor, and an LED. Don't underestimate it. This is how every electronics design begins. First, open KiCad, click New Project and give it a name. This project is like a container. It holds your schematic, your PCB, and everything else. Now open the schematic editor. This screen is not about physical size. It does not care if your circuit is big or small. A schematic only shows logic and connectors. If two things are connected here, they will be connected in real life. First, press A to add a component. So first we'll add a power source and add a resistor and then add an LED and finally add ground. These symbols represent real-life physical components you can buy, solder, and power. Now the fun part. Press W to start wiring. Connect the power source to the resistor, then to the LED, and finally to ground. No wire here means no electricity in real life. Here is a mistake almost everyone makes, forgetting ground. Without ground, the circuit does not work in software or in real life. Right now, you are not just drawing symbols, you are learning how engineers turn ideas into real hardware. This is powerful. In the next video, we will take these circuits and turn it into a real PCB, the kind you see inside electronics. If this video helped you, follow this channel for more tech videos like this. I focus on learning by building using tools everyone can access. Comment below what you want to design next, and I will see you in the next one. Start small, build real things, and keep learning.